Say, I love you.
I love you.
Dance for Grandma P. And what can you sing?
Oh, we'll do that.
Say, can't wait to see you in May.
I feel me. Honey,
Yeah.
honey,
Yeah.
what's the Grandma P?
Grandma P's in Palm Springs. Say Happy Easter.
Happy Easter.
What you doing?
I'm going to walk in the water and keep it safe.
Where are you right now, Alex?
I'm here.
Where are you? Whose house is this?
Keep Barbara.
For Easter?
Yeah.
Sing one song for Grandma P.
Over the star.
Sing Twinkle Twinkle.
Knew the star. How I wonder what you are. Up above the whistle high, like a diamond in the sky. Twinkle, twinkle, little star. How I wonder what you are.
Give her a big smile. Say bye-bye, Grandma P.
Bye-bye, Grandma P.
See you next time.
See you next time. Don't hit. I walk. Don't hit.